Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York. And this is how to remove thinset from tiles. Okay, now I'm going to discuss two different types of removals. One's just direct contact with the tile that you would have during installation. You know, you just got a little sloppy, some thinset got on your knee pads or on your hands, and you just, applied it, or you laid down your trowel, walked away, and it hardened. Now, a lot of these adhesives have bonding agents in them. Most of them have additives, and a lot of them could be pretty stubborn to get out. So what I suggest is a flat razor. Just scrape the majority of excess off the tile. But I'm just going to scrape off as much as I possibly can. Just brush that aside. I'm going to get our little Scotch-Brite here, the little cleaner. I've got a grout cleaner that I'm just going to use as an agent on a Scotch-Brite pad. I just pour it on there. We're going to take our Scotch-Brite pad and start scrubbing the tile until we get it clean. So it might be a good idea to put on some gloves. After that's done, I'm just going to take a rag, or excuse me, a sponge, and just wipe it off. So you may actually get a scenario like this where you've started setting the tiles, walked away, or maybe came back the next day, and you have to remove this surface as well. So we're going to discuss several options to scrape this away and clean off the surface, okay? I take this center shower tile, I remove the grout, pop it open, and what you'd get, although this has been cleaned, this is ideally what you want to reset the tile, you're going to get a surface that looks like this. So we're going to use a very stiff knife to remove the ridges. Now there's another different method that I could use. My oscillating saw does the same purpose. So once that's removed, we're ready for retiling. Once we removed our thinset, you're ready to reapply your tile. So this was how to remove thinset from tile. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, helping you build a better life. And reach out to me on Facebook at the Home Source Guy. Thanks. We'll see you next time.